Hello, welcome to the Media Creator channel. Today I will show how to place realistic perspective text. I'm dragging the image I'm going to use and adjusting its size. Write the text that you will use later. Increase the size a little. Hold down the Control key and press this part, it will select around the text, then copy it with Ctrl+C. We're done with the article. Create a new layer, and while this layer is selected, enter the Filter, Vanishing Point menu, the shortcut combination Alt+Ctrl+V keys. Here we will choose the corners of the walls. My selection process is over. Now I'm pasting the text I copied with Ctrl+V. Adjust the location and size. My placement is over. Enter the blending option to make it look more realistic. By playing these cursors, you can get a more realistic look. It will be different in every photo. See you in the next trainings.